Hello, we are pleased to announce the Sir Robert Academy TV educational program. This program is presented by Sir Robert, a dedicated teacher who teaches. For more information, please contact Sir Robert through the following phone numbers: 2255 614 46. We warmly invite students, parents, and the community to follow the Sir Robert educational programs. Sir Robert educational programs on the SIR Robert Academy TV YouTube channel. Thanks. Sir Robert Academy TV is located in Urambo District, Tabora Region, Tanzania.
Napenda kumsifia Mwalimu Robert anayetufundisha somo la literature and civics. Mwalimu huyu ni mwalimu bora sana, kwani ameweza kutuwezesha vitu vingi sana katika kujifunza. Anafundisha vizuri katika mambo ya kusoma na hata mambo ya nyumbani, kwani ndiye mwalimu anayetushauri mambo mengi sana. Mwalimu huyu.
After we have looked at the social dialectic, there are some key terms. There are some key terms in defining the word There are some key terms while defining the word literature. Now, looking at this definition that Mwalimu Joseph has given us, what are the key terms that you have seen while defining the word literature that you feel like they are already there? May we have Nuru today? Art. That is the key term number 1. Key term number 2. Immaculata Rogers Juma. Language. Key term number 3. Jafari. Aesthetic. Key term number 4. Who is that boy seated near Lazaro? Message. Remind me, what's your name? Message. Definitely check your city. Definitely. I'm fine. Anyway, we leave him alone. We continue. Number 5. Society. Do we have any other? No? Yes. Okay. These are just some of the key terms while defining the word literature. Now, we have got art, language, aesthetic, message, and society. Before we look at art, let us first look at language, aesthetic, message, and society. Then after we have looked at all of this, we will go back to our first Roman numeral. Then we look at art, language. Ladies and gentlemen, comrades and friends, beautiful girls and handsome boys of Imara SSC. When we say language is a tool or a medium in which literature is carried and being conveyed to the society. Meaning that the language used in literature is not an ordinary language, it is an artistic language. A language that is a figurative language. So when someone is communicating, most especially the artist, communicating to you, sending a message to the society, reflecting the society, the person has to use language. Are we together?
Yes.
Do you know any official languages?
Yeah. Yes.
What are the official languages that you know? Official languages. Ya sita. Swahili language. Agata Vila Balanzila. French language and so on and so on. So when we say language, we are meaning that literature uses language to reflect the society, to scan the society. Are we together?
Yes.
Now, we look at aesthetic. Aesthetic means beauty. The beauty of literature. What makes literature beautiful is what we call aesthetic. There is that language that brings suspense, gives you feelings that you should continue looking or listening or reading the work of artists. That thing that makes you feel like the artist should not stop is what we call aesthetic. Are we together?
Yes.
Now, after aesthetic, we have looked at aesthetic, we look at the
message.
Message is just the content that is being sent to you, the things that are being sent to you, the society. Are we together?
Yes.
That is what we call
message.
Then Roman numeral 5 is the society. Are we together?
Yes.
5 is the society. Now, the society is just the audience, the receiver of the message being communicated or sent by literature in an artistic way. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. From there, we move to our Roman numeral 1 that says